Number 9 will be intersecting.
Very good. Number 10.
Number 10 pillar.
Very good. Number 11.
Number 11 perpendicular.
Very good. Number 12.
Intersecting.
Very good. Excellent, Tuhin. Okay, tell me Tuhin number 1.
Number 1. The radius. Ma'am, can I draw?
Yes, you can definitely draw better.
Ma'am, radius is a thing that goes this line is called radius.
This is not a radius, better. This is a diameter. The distance between the center and the circumference of a circle is called the diameter. Tell me Tuhin.
Ma'am, this portion.
Yeah. Yes, that is a radius. So, what will be your definition?
A radius is a type of line which start from the point, the middle point of a circle and touch to the circumference is called radius.
Very good. Excellent. The line joining the center point and the circumference of a circle is called a radius. Excellent. Tell me the next one. Number 2.
Number diameter is the middle line of a circle is called diameter.
The middle line of a circle is called a diameter. Or the distance between the center and the circle is called the diameter. Excellent. Tell me number 3, beta.
F.
Very good. Tell me number 4.
Number 4. GH.
Very good. Number 5. Tell me number 5, beta.
FGFI.
FGFI, what else, beta? FG is correct. FI is also correct. What else, beta?
FJ and FH.
Very good. Excellent. Tell me number 6.
Number 6 is GHIAG.
Very good. Tell me number 7, beta. Okay, you can draw it here.
This These are H F G.
Very good. Okay, tell me the next one.
Yes, number 7.
Semi number.
Ma'am, this A, this is AB, and this is C, D.
Very good. Excellent. Tell me number 8, beta.
Number 8. Number 8 will be. Sir, ma'am, R and W.
Very good. Semi number 9, beta.
Number 9 name R U and W Y.
Okay, there are more radius, beta. Not only RU and WY. There are 4 more radius.
WX, WZ.
WX, WZ. And the another one, beta?
WX.
Yes, WX, WZ, WY. And from here, what are the radius? Tell me.
Ma'am, RU.
RU then? Two more.
RU. RS. Ma'am, RS.
RS, another one.
RT.
Very good. Excellent. Now tell me number 10, beta.
Number 10 will be. Remember, the answer will be 2 to 1 hour, 55 minutes.
Very good. Tell me number 11.
Number 11. 11. Ma'am, 56.
Can you explain me better?
Yes, ma'am. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 26 is 56.
No, beta. Actually, you have to convert this. You can convert it into any one of them, beta. You can convert this in cent also.
I cannot understand this.
You have to convert penny, quarter, dime, and nickels and pennies. See, a quarter is equal to weight. I am writing it. Then only you can understand. 1 quarter will be equal to 25 cents. Then we have, so tell me 6 quarter will be equal to how many cents?
Ma'am, 150.
Very good. 150 cents. Sorry. A penny is equal to 1 penny is equal to 1 cent. So tell me, beta, 26 pennies will be equal to how many cents?
26.
Very good. Now tell me the next one.
Mm,
Next, what we have? Dime and nickel. 1 dime is equal to 10 cents.
so it is 90.
Yes, 9 dime equal to 90 cents. Excellent. Then what we have? Nickel. 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. So 15 nickel will be equal to how many cents? Better tell me.
65. No, ma'am, 75.
75. Very good. So now what you have to do, you simply have to add this cents.
Ma'am, 150 plus 26, 176. Then 176 is 266. Then 266. Then 266. 266. 341 and 341.
Very good. Excellent. Tell me the next one, Beta. Very good. This is the correct answer. So have you understood, Tuhin, how you have to do this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now do number 1, Beta.
Yes, ma'am. Number 1. Ma'am, 108.
How, Beta?
Ma'am, the half circle is 54. So, to multiply 108.
No. Do you know the relation between diameter and circumference?
No, no.
It's very easy. See. We have to find out the circumference. So the relation between diameter and circumference is D stands for diameter, C stands for circumference into pi by 7. Sorry, into pi. Pi means 22 by 7. So find out if the diameter is, how much is it given? 54. Then what will be the circumference? What will you do?
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to find out the circumference. Tell me what you have to do. If you
Ma'am,
bring,
we have to multiply 22 and 7.
yes, how? If you bring 22 by 7 to the left hand side, how will you multiply 22 by 7?
The answer is 154.
No. You have to bring 22 by 7 to the left hand side. You have to bring 22 by 7 towards 54. So how will the sign change, beta?
Division.
Yes, it will be division. So if you divide 22 by 7, how you have to write it? Into 7 divided by 20. So divide 22 and
One is reminder. One is reminder and second is 3.
one is reminder. Make it in a decimal system, beta. That is, make it in a point.
No, ma'am.
You can't make it in the point.
No, ma'am.
See, 22
To put
divided.
decimal,
It's very easy. See,
that is reminder was 1.
1.
0 added and 10 is not divided by 7.
15 is coming, then 158. Then we are dividing it by 7. The answer is 154. 4 is the remainder. 4 is the remainder. Now if you put point here, what will come down here, beta? Tell me.
Mama, 150.
No. If you put point here, what will come beside 4?
150, ma'am.
Why 50? The remainder is 4. 7 into 22 is 154. 158 minus 154 is
4.
4. So if you put point here, then how much will you put here? Beside 4? Do you know to divide by making it in a decimal format better? I know you know it to him.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me then, what will you bring beside 4?
We have to divide 154 by 4.
No, 154 to you have divided with 22. So the remainder is 4. Now you have put the point here. Now what will come beside 4? You have
Ma'am,
to.
it is 40.
Very good, 40. Excellent. Then what will you put here?
40. So it is, ma'am, 1.
Very good, 1. So now tell me better, 22 into 1 is how much?
Ma'am, 22.
So 40 minus 22 is
80.
very good, 18. Now what will come down?
Ma'am, 18.
18. So what will come down from this point, beta?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Very good. Now divide this. Divide this 2 in 22 into how much is, with which number will you multiply 22 to divide 180 and 22? Tell me, Tuhin.
Ma'am, the question is 6 and the remainder is 4.
No. The quotient is 17.1, beta.
Ma'am, 17.16.
1/6. No, 1/6 is not the answer. 8 into
Ma'am,
22 is how much? Devanshu, do number 1, beta.
ma'am, this question I cannot understood.
Wait, I'm explaining, Devanshu. Just a second. 8 into 22 is how much, Tuhin?
Ma'am, 100 is 76.
Very good. So the answer is 17.18. Excellent, Tuhin. Tuhin, beta, can you do me a favor? Can you please explain this number 1 to Devanshu?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first the diameter is D and uh, the circumference is C. So, D is equal to C is equal to 22 multiply by 7. So we have to divide 20. We have to first multiply 22 by 54 because the 54 is the diameter. So we have to divide 22 and 7 and divide no ma'am 22 divided by 7 and multiply by 54. So the answer is 378. So first we have to divide 378. 378 divided by 22 is first we have to try with 22. So 22 divided by 1 is 22. So 22 remainder is 15 and there is 8 comes and 158. So we have to 20 multiplied by 7 is equal to 154. So the remainder is 4. So remainder is 4. So it will be point. So it will become 40 and we have to again divide 40 by 22. So the not 22 by 2 is 44. That is not larger than 40. So we have to divide it by 1. So 22 multiplied by 1 is 22 and the remainder is 80. Then a 0 comes and it is 180. And then 22 multiply by 8 is equal to 176. So the remainder is 4. And the question is 22 point no ma'am 17.80.
Is it clear, Devanshu? Very good to him. Very well explained.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Devanshu, here the diameter has been given 54 foot. Now you have to find out the circumference. The relation between diameter and circumference is diameter equal to circumference into 22 by 7. So, we all know that the diameter is 54 foot. So, we are writing 54 in place of diameter. Tuhin, you can do number 2 better. We have to write 54 in place of diameter and in place of circumference because we don't know. We have to find out the circumference.
Ma'am, y is equal to c multiply 22 divided by 7.
This is a formula, beta. Like we have different formulas. Similarly, this is a formula. The relationship between the diameter and the circumference. This is the diameter and this is the circumference. This is a formula we have d equal to circumference into 22 by 7. Is it clear?
Ma'am, this question yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this question I right answer.
You can solve it by yourself better. You don't have to write this answer. See, 54 foot. This is the diameter given. So if you bring 22 by 7 to the left hand side, how will it change, beta?
What, ma'am?
If you bring 22 by 7 to the left hand side, how will the sign change of 22 by 7?
Ma'am, 54 multiplies 7 by 22.
Very good. Now do this, you will get the answer. Do number 1, Debanshu. Tuhin just tell me the answer of number 2, beta.
Ma'am, 3 multiplied by 81 is 243.
Just a second. Why are you multiplying 81 by 3, beta? The same way, Tuhin. 81 is the diameter. So 81 equal to 3 multiplied by 22 by 7. So if we bring 22 by 7 to the left hand side, then what will happen?
So divide 22 by 7.
Very good. So if you divide it, what you have to do, you have to multiply it by 7 and divide this thing by 22. So do it.
Ma'am, the question is 3. Ma'am, the question is 3.
How come? Beta 81 into 7 is how much?
Ma'am, please say again.
81 into 7 is how much?
No, ma'am, 567.
Very good. 567. Now you divide this number
Ma'am,
with
567.
very 567. Now divide this with 22, beta.
Ma'am, 22 into 2 is 44. So 44 will be so the remainder is 12, and then 7 comes 127, and 120 5 will be here. 127 divided by 22 is 22. Reply equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5 by 2 takes 0 and 1, it is 110. So but then 5 will comes, and then the remainder is 17, and 17 is so there is a 0, and there is a point. So 22 multiplied by 7 is 4 and 1, 154, and the remainder is 16, and again we divide 160 divided by 22 is 20 plus 2, 6, the 2 got 100 and the question is 30. Then is 0.
Very good. The answer
And then
is 5.77 centimeter. Very good, Tuhin Rajat. Tuhin, you can do number 3 better. Okay. Now, Devanshu, tell me the answer of number 1 beta.
Ma'am, answer is number 1 is 17.18.
Very good. Now do number 2, Devanshu.
Ma'am, 25.77 centimeter.
Very good. Do number 3, Devanshu.
ma'am, the answer will be 91 divided by 22 is 22 done is equal to 4 is 88 and the question is 4 and the remainder is 3 and the point will become and 0. So 22 divided by 30 is 2.1. Then it is 8 and 8 there is 0.
Just a second.
And
Tuhin. Just a second. Tuhin, why 22 divided by 30, beta? Again, it is in the same way. 13 meter equal to 3 into 22.
yes, ma'am. So 7 multiplied. So it is 91. And 91 divided by 22 is 22. And 4 multiplying is 88. And the remainder is 3. And a
Why
point
are you
come. And
multiplying?
it is
Yes, 20. Yes, very good. It is 4.1. The answer is 4.13. Excellent. Tuhin, 4.13 meter. Okay. Tell me number 4, Tuhin. Okay. Your
ma'am, 66 into 7 is 462
just a second. Just
divided.
a second. Tuhin, it is only the radius has been given. How will you find out the diameter?
Remember multiplying into 2.
Very good. Do it.
Ma'am, it is 132
Very good. 132. Then what will you do?
into 7. One hundred 32. It is
Can you
924.
just a second? Can you
920.
divide 132 by 22? See whether you can divide it perfectly without having any remainder.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by 6.
Then 6 into 7 is how much?